Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn a cool trick in Photoshop that will help you blur the background of an image using the field blur effect. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. The first step is to select the subject in the image using magnetic lasso tool. Once you have your subject selected, go to the Select menu and choose Inverse. After that, go to the Filter menu, then Blur Gallery, and choose Field Blur. A new dialog box will appear with a preview of your image and a set of controls for the field blur effect. You can adjust the blur amount by dragging the slider or using the up and down arrows. Once you're happy with the blur effect, click OK to apply it to your image, and voila! You've just blurred the background of your image using the field blur effect in Photoshop. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and that you'll give it a try. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks like this one. See you in the next video.